Hello everyone, welcome back to Study Hunting. In today's video, we will discuss the latest Magnit Recruitment 2026 notification for the Associate Software Engineer role. This opportunity is open for the fresh graduates who are interested in artificial intelligence and machine learning. The job location is Bangalore and the last day to apply is 1st August 2026. Let's look at the job details. The hiring company is Magnit and the role offered is Associate Software Engineer. Fresher with a bachelor's or master's degree can apply. This position falls under the artificial intelligence and machine learning domain, making it an excellent opportunity for candidates looking to start their career in advanced technologies. In this role, candidate will develop and test AI and machine learning workflows. They will work with senior engineers to build automation solutions and integrated AI models with the APIs. The role also involves working with large language models with OpenAI, Claude, and Gemini while contributing to AI-powered business applications. Selected candidates will gain hands-on experience with cutting-edge technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, large language models, prompt engineering, retrieval augmented generation or RAG, and OCR-based document processing. These technologies are currently in high demand across the industry. To apply for this role, candidates should have a bachelor's or master's degree and a strong passion for artificial intelligence. Good Python programming skills are mandatory. Candidates also have basic knowledge of machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, or Scikit-learn, along with a good understanding of data structure, algorithm, and problem solving. Interested candidates should first check the eligibility criteria and update their resume, then apply through the official registration link provided in the description below. Make sure to submit your application before 1st August 2026. If you are interested in AI and machine learning, this is a great opportunity to quick start your career. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Study Hunting. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions regarding the application process. Thank you for watching and best of luck with your application.